Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Nike gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Nike gift card online, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Nike website. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in nike.com. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Nike, simply tap on the account icon on the top and then sign into your account. You can also check out as guest if you want as well. Then the next method, what you need to do is simply scroll between the products that you want and then simply select the product and you'll find an option that says add to bag. Simply select that and the selected item will be added to bag. Now the next thing that you need to do is head over and tap on the bag icon on the top right corner of your screen, and once you're inside here you'll find the option that says go to checkout. Simply tap on that, and now here what you need to do is select member checkout or guest checkout, and then once you're inside there in the payment section you'll see add a gift card or redeem gift card. Simply tap on that, and now you need to enter gift card number plus pin. You will see two boxes, gift card number usually 16 digits and pin which is on the back of the card, and you need to scratch it, integrate and then click on apply. And once the balance is added, simply click on place order, tap on place order, and your Nike gift card is redeemed online. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.